Oh, crap. I don't think it's recording the audio. Oh, it is. Okay, good. All right. 7th period. Welcome to 8th period. We are going to record... Oh, wrong screen. We are going to record the last part. Heidi, you can say hello if you like.
Hi.
Heidi, be quiet, please. All right. So the last thing we have is equivalence statement. So the equivalence statement, what it is, are you guys really that shy?
Yes.
Heidi's like,
What?
they're just going to have to deal with it, whatever they hear. Bailey's being really kind of like...
I'm listening to what you're saying.
She's being...
Try not to be rude.
Don't be rude. Okay.
Austin, put your pants on.
Okay. What'd you say?
I said, Austin, put your pants on.
Oh my god. I gotta stop this. Let's begin, okay? Alright, I will have to stop it. A minute of baloney. Okay, well, let's just keep it going, because I don't want to... I'll just clip it off when I'm editing it. So, this is really the basis right here. We have P, if and only if Q happens. So what that means is that P has to go to Q, and Q must go to P. Some people see it as P, Q. Remember, first, the only time that this really... the only time that we get a or something that's false with implications is if the first one's true and the second one is false. Okay? So remember that. So it goes true, false, false. That's the only time. Okay? Alright, so here's an example of what I have. I will pass my paper 1 exam. The exam was easy. So we're going to set up this statement. Okay? We have these particular things. We have if I pass my paper 1, then the exam was easy. Okay?
I thought it was, I will pass my exam if and only if the exam is easy.
Well, I'm doing the first one right here.
Oh.
The second one is if the exam is easy, then I will pass my paper 1 exam. So that leaves us with this last one that says if, let me rephrase this. I will, we lose the if-then statement and we put it all in the middle. I will pass my paper 1 exam if and only if, we did IFF if you remember, the exam is easy. Okay? So those are our statement setups. Good. So what does this mean? This means that P, if and only if Q occurs when each of these implications is true. So, does that make sense? It's kind of like the intersection, kind of like the conjunction one. Okay? But we're dealing with the 2 implications. So, here we go. Fill in the truth table. We're going to go ahead and fill in the truth table for P implies Q. Okay? That will be our last one over here. P implies Q. So we have P and Q. What's P and Q? Well, true, true, false, false. Q is true, false, true, false. So now we need to fill in the two other implications. This is Q, or sorry, I don't know why that's there. P implies Q, and Q implies P. Now this one gets a little tricky, so when we get there, we'll talk about it. Here we go. So P implies Q. We have true, true. What do you think? True. True, false.
False.
There's my indication. It's bad. False and true.
True.
And false and false.
Oh.
True.
True.
Sorry.
Okay. Now, think about this, but we're going to go ahead and take Q and look at it the opposite way. Okay? So we have to go true then true. Ding.
True.
False then true.
True.
False.
True. True then false.
False.
False and false.
True.
So, for P implies Q, we have to have two truths for our two implications. So, what do we have?
True.
True, false, false, true. We're looking at this.
Why did you have to fill out those first two if you just said lots and things? It's true.
Well, you have to look at these. It has to be true, true, then true. False, true, then true, or false. True, false, false. True, true, true.
Okay.
Okay? All right. So our implication is that this is a redundant slide. Phew. Moving on. Oh my gosh, that was it? Usually my videos are an hour long.
Do it again. Do it again.
Do what?
Signing off.
Start over.
What are you talking about? I'm stopping this. Stop.
Bye.